Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you are doing well. So today is our first lesson for Oxford Progressive English. So open your book on page number 2. Our first unit is Fiza's family. As all of you have known that we all has our own family. So some people who live together in a house is called a family. So this is lesson number 1. The part A is about talk to your friend. So let's read it. It is about something dialogue. A dialogue is something that we talk to one another. So let's read it. Hello, what's your name? He is asking his name. Hi, my name is Ali. What's your? And now he is asking his name. I am Aman. Nice to meet you. Good to meet you too. So in these two boxes, these boys are introducing themselves to each other. It is all about to introduce ourselves. Sorry. Like you guys, if you meet your new classmates and you have to introduce yourself, you will say, Hi, my name is Ahmed. And suppose he is Ali, he will say, Hi, my name is Ali. How do you do? Now you can introduce yourself to any of the person you want. Now come to the next part, B. Listen and color the pictures. The only thing you have to do is to listen and then color it. Listen to me now. This is a cup, bat, jug, pen, dog, bus, hen. Only thing you have to do is just to pick your colors and fill these pictures. Come to the page number 3 on lesson 2, phonics and words. In this lesson we will learn how to pronounce words. So the first part A is read these words. Let's read it. C-A-T cat, M-A-T mat, B-A-T bat, H-E-N hen, P-E-N pen, T-E-D-D-Y teddy, P-I-N pen, T-I-N tin, I-N P-O-T pot, D-O-G dog, O-N on, J-U-G jug, B-U-S bus, C-U-P cup. So you are given with these vowels and you just have to read these words having the vowels. Now come to part B, which is read and match the pictures to the words. The only thing you have to do is to match these words with their pictures. For example, there is a box in which these are the words. We have to match these words with their picture. For example, there is a tablet word. We have to match this tablet word to its picture. So we have matched it. Second is the flower. So we have the word flower and we have to match it with the flower. We will match now the rest of the words with their pictures. Come to the part C, which is trace and complete the sentences with these words. The first thing you have to do is to sharp your pencil. Now our pencil is sharp. Let's do it now. We are given with this word bank. We just have to put these words in these lines with the help of these pictures. So you guys will help me? Okay, let's do it. First one is he is hitting a ball. So you can see a boy who is hitting the ball. So we will put the word hitting over there. Let's write it now. I have done mine. Have you done yours? The second one is she is dash. So we have to choose one option from them. Running, mending, playing, picking, hitting. What do you guys think that she is doing? She is running. So let's put there running. Here you can see that I have done mine. She is running. She is picking up flower. She is playing with the tablet. He is mending a van. As you guys can see that he is repairing a van. So there we will choose the word mending. You guys must have write on these dots and your formation of each letter should be correct. Otherwise I'll erase it and you have to do it again. So my student, this is your homework to learn it by your heart. Okay, now come to page number 2. Here is a poem, Stand Up, Sit Down. You have to learn it too.
Teddy says, stand up. Teddy says, sit down. Teddy says, stand up. Teddy says, turn around.
Turn around, turn around, turn around. Turn, turn, turn around.
Teddy says, point up. Teddy says, point down. Teddy says, point up. Teddy says, turn around.
Turn around,